So today we're unboxing the Mojipic. It's a wireless emoji display, and you can display actually anything you want. You can create your own animations, you can write your own text, you can do pretty much anything. So let's just get to the unboxing point to see what's inside the box. So, inside the box we have our terms of use, warranty and user manual. We have, of course, the device itself. And we have charging cable to use for charging, of course. So, we can try to turn it on. And it's empty right now because we need to connect it, and after we connect it we can upload our own images, our own animations, or we can just use animations from the gallery. Let's set it up and see you soon.